Introduction. Welcome to our travel adventure through the dazzling city of Dubai. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to explore the best places to visit in this vibrant metropolis, where tradition meets modernity in the most spectacular ways. From the iconic Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, to the serene beauty of the Dubai Creek, we'll showcase a mix of must-see landmarks and hidden gems that truly capture the essence of this remarkable city. Get ready to discover the luxurious shopping experiences at the Dubai Mall, where you can find everything from high-end fashion to unique souvenirs. We'll also delve into the rich cultural heritage of Dubai by visiting the historic Al Fahidi neighborhood, where you can wander through art galleries and traditional markets. And don't miss out on the breathtaking views from the Palm Jumeirah, an architectural marvel that offers stunning beaches and world-class resorts. Throughout this video, we aim to engage and inform you about the top attractions that make Dubai a must-visit destination. Whether you're a first-time traveler or a seasoned explorer, there's something for everyone in this city of contrasts. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this unforgettable journey through the best of Dubai. Burj Khalifa. The iconic skyscraper. Standing at an astonishing height of 828 meters, the Burj Khalifa is not just the tallest building in the world. It's an architectural marvel that defines Dubai's skyline. Completed in 2010, this iconic skyscraper symbolizes the city's rapid growth and ambition, showcasing cutting-edge design and engineering. Its sleek, tapering silhouette is inspired by the desert flower hymenocallis, making it a stunning sight against the backdrop of the Arabian sky. Visiting the Burj Khalifa is an experience like no other, especially when you ascend to the observation decks on the 124th and 148th floors. Here, you'll be treated to breathtaking panoramic views of the city, the Arabian Gulf, and beyond. As you gaze out from such heights, you can truly appreciate the vastness of Dubai and its remarkable blend of modern architecture and natural beauty. The experience is enhanced by interactive displays that provide insights into the city's history and development. Surrounding the Burj Khalifa is the vibrant Dubai Fountain, which dances to music and lights, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that draws crowds daily. Just a stone's throw away is the Dubai Mall, one of the largest shopping centers in the world, offering a plethora of dining, shopping, and entertainment options. Together, these attractions make the Burj Khalifa not just a landmark, but the heart of a dynamic urban experience that captures the essence of Dubai. Dubai Mall. A shopper's paradise. Welcome to the Dubai Mall, the largest shopping mall in the world, where shopping transcends mere retail therapy to become an unforgettable experience. Spanning over 1.1 million square meters, this colossal mall boasts an impressive array of more than 1,200 shops, ranging from high-end luxury brands to popular high-street retailers. Whether you're hunting for the latest fashion trends or unique souvenirs, you'll find it all under one roof. But the Dubai Mall is not just about shopping, it's a culinary haven as well. With over 200 dining options, you can indulge in a variety of cuisines, from gourmet dining to casual eateries. After a satisfying meal, why not catch a movie at the state-of-the-art cinema or enjoy some family fun at the entertainment facilities? One of the mall's standout features is the Dubai Aquarium, home to thousands of aquatic animals, including sharks and rays, all visible through a massive glass panel. For those seeking a bit of winter magic in the desert, the indoor ice rink offers a refreshing escape, allowing visitors to skate year-round. Beyond shopping and entertainment, the Dubai Mall serves as a vibrant social hub for both locals and tourists. It's a place where people gather to socialize, celebrate, and create lasting memories. With its blend of retail, dining, and entertainment, the Dubai Mall truly embodies the spirit of modern Dubai, making it a must-visit destination for everyone. Palm Jumeirah. The man-made wonder. Welcome to Palm Jumeirah, an extraordinary man-made island that has become a symbol of luxury and innovation in Dubai. Shaped like a palm tree, this architectural marvel is home to some of the most stunning resorts and attractions in the world. Among them is the iconic Atlantis, the Palm, a lavish resort that offers an unparalleled experience with its underwater aquarium, thrilling water park, and exquisite dining options. Guests can explore the Lost Chambers Aquarium or enjoy a day of adventure at Aquaventure Water Park, making it a perfect destination for families and thrill-seekers alike. Beyond the grandeur of its resorts, Palm Jumeirah boasts a variety of beach clubs and dining experiences that cater to every taste. From casual beachfront eateries to upscale restaurants with breathtaking views, there's something for everyone. Enjoy a sunset dinner while savoring gourmet cuisine, or relax at a beach club with a refreshing cocktail in hand. The scenic views from Palm Jumeirah are nothing short of spectacular. With the shimmering waters of the Arabian Gulf on one side and the stunning skyline of Dubai on the other, it's a picturesque setting for leisurely strolls or relaxing beach days. The island also offers a range of leisure activities, including water sports, yacht rentals, and spa experiences, making it a popular destination for both tourists and locals. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Palm Jumeirah is a must-visit paradise that encapsulates the essence of luxury living in Dubai. Dubai Marina. A vibrant waterfront. Welcome to Dubai Marina, a lively waterfront area that perfectly blends stunning architecture with a vibrant atmosphere. This picturesque marina is lined with a beautiful promenade, where you can take leisurely strolls while soaking in the breathtaking views of the skyline. The waterfront is dotted with an array of dining options, from casual cafes to upscale restaurants, offering a diverse selection of cuisines. Whether you're in the mood for a quick bite or a fine dining experience, the marina has something to satisfy every palate. For those seeking adventure on the water, Dubai Marina is a hub for various water activities. You can rent a yacht for a day of luxury on the waves or embark on a scenic cruise to admire the stunning coastline and iconic landmarks. Jet skiing, paddleboarding, and even fishing excursions are also popular options, ensuring that there's never a dull moment for water enthusiasts. As the sun sets, Dubai Marina transforms into a vibrant nightlife destination. The area comes alive with an array of bars, lounges, and nightclubs, each offering unique experiences and entertainment. From rooftop venues with panoramic views to lively beach clubs, the nightlife scene caters to all tastes. Throughout the year, the marina hosts various events, including outdoor markets, live music performances, and cultural festivals, making it a dynamic place to socialize and enjoy the lively atmosphere. Whether you're looking for relaxation or excitement, Dubai Marina is a must-visit destination that captures the essence of modern Dubai. Desert Safari. An adventure awaits. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure as we dive into the thrilling experience of a desert safari in Dubai. This exhilarating journey takes you into the heart of the Arabian desert, where you can immerse yourself in a world of stunning landscapes and exciting activities. One of the highlights of a desert safari is dune bashing, where skilled drivers take you on a wild ride over the towering sand dunes in a 4x4 vehicle, providing an adrenaline rush like no other. But the adventure doesn't stop there. You can also try your hand at camel riding, a traditional mode of transport in the desert, offering a unique perspective of the vast sandy expanse. For those seeking a bit more excitement, sandboarding down the dunes is a must-try activity that promises fun and thrills. As the sun begins to set, the desert transforms into a magical landscape, providing breathtaking views perfect for photography. Capture the golden hues of the sand as they change with the fading light, creating a picturesque backdrop for your memories. The experience culminates in a visit to a desert camp, where you can indulge in traditional meals featuring local flavors. Enjoy cultural performances, such as belly dancing and tenora shows, while relaxing under the stars. A desert safari in Dubai is not just an adventure, it's a chance to connect with the rich heritage of the region while creating lasting memories in a stunning natural setting. Dubai Creek. A glimpse of history. Welcome to Dubai Creek, the historical heart of the city that offers a fascinating glimpse into its rich past and cultural significance. This natural seawater inlet has been a vital part of Dubai's identity for centuries, serving as a hub for trade and commerce. One of the most charming ways to experience the creek is through traditional Abra rides. These wooden boats have been ferrying passengers across the water for generations, connecting the bustling districts of Deira and Bur Dubai. As you glide along the creek, you'll feel the pulse of the city and witness the blend of old and new that defines Dubai. Adjacent to the creek, you'll find the vibrant souks, or markets, that showcase the city's trading heritage. The Gold Souk is a must-visit, where dazzling displays of gold jewelry and intricate designs captivate visitors. Just a short walk away is the Spice Souk, filled with the enticing aromas of exotic spices, herbs, and traditional ingredients. Here, you can immerse yourself in the sensory experience of bargaining and discovering unique products. Dubai Creek has played a crucial role in the city's trading history, serving as a gateway for merchants and traders from around the world. Its significance in shaping Dubai's economy and culture cannot be overstated. Exploring Dubai Creek is not just a journey through time, it's an opportunity to appreciate the city's heritage and the vibrant spirit that continues to thrive today. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of Dubai's incredible attractions, it's clear that this city offers a diverse array of experiences that cater to every type of traveler. From the breathtaking heights of the Burj Khalifa to the luxurious resorts of Palm Jumeirah and the vibrant atmosphere of Dubai Marina, each destination showcases the unique blend of modernity and tradition that defines Dubai. We've also delved into the thrilling adventures of a desert safari and the historical charm of Dubai Creek, highlighting the rich cultural tapestry that awaits visitors. The key takeaway for viewers is that Dubai is not just a city of skyscrapers and luxury, it's a place where you can immerse yourself in history, indulge in world-class dining, and experience thrilling adventures, all within a short distance. Whether you're seeking relaxation on pristine beaches or excitement in bustling markets, Dubai has something for everyone. We encourage you to explore these attractions and plan your visit to this remarkable city. There's so much to discover, and we hope this video has inspired you to embark on your own Dubai adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more travel insights, like the video to show your support, and share it with friends and family who might be planning their own trip to Dubai. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see you in our next adventure.